So today we'll start the shoulder stretches. Okay, so first one, inhale and lift your both hands up. Now bend your right hand and grab your elbow with your left hand. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, stretch your right elbow by pulling with the help of your left hand, and keep your fingers wide open of your right hand. Feel the stretch in the shoulder. Inhale, lift your both hands up again. Bend your left hand now. Grab your left elbow with your right hand. Again, make sure that you keep your fingers wide open of your left hand. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, stretch your left elbow. Feel the stretch in your left shoulder. Inhale, again, open up your both arms up. Bend your right elbow again. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, stretch your shoulder by pulling your right elbow and try to reach down over your back with your right hand and feel the stretch in the shoulder. Keep breathing. Keep your spine very straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Inhale, gently lift your both hands up. Again, bend your left elbow, grab it with the help of your right hand. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, stretch your elbow down and hold. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Inhale, lift your both hands up, and exhale, drop your hands down. Move your arms around to relax your shoulders. Alright, now again, lift your both hands up and interlock your elbows this time. Now, as you inhale, lift your chest forward and push your elbows back to feel the stretch in your shoulders. Try to create the distance between your head and your elbows. Inhale, bring your hands forward and your head back. Again, as you exhale, open up your shoulders by pushing your forearms and your elbows back. Try to open up your rib cage, lift your chest up, exhale. Again, inhale, open up your chest, push your elbows back. Feel the stretch in your shoulder. Push as per your limit. Exhale, bring your elbow forward. One more time with the stretch. Take a deep breath in, and as we exhale, lift your chest up and forward and push your elbows back. Hold and keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Bring your elbows forward and release your arms down. Relax. Again, move your arms around to relax the shoulders. Alright. Now, interlock your both hands behind your back. Make sure that your elbows are completely straight. Your spine should be straight. Now, inhale and lift your shoulders up and roll back. Keep your elbows straight. Now, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, lean forward. And now try to lift your hand up, feeling the stretch in your shoulder, opening up your shoulder joint. Exhale, drop your hands down. Inhale, come up. Exhale here. Again, take a deep breath in, roll your shoulders back. And as you exhale, lean forward and again lift your hands up. Feel the opening in your shoulder joint. Exhale, drop your hands down. Inhale, lift your head up. One more time. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, lean forward. Now this time, move your hands with giving the pulses and keep moving. Keep looking forward and push your hands a few times to open up your shoulder joint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now one last time with holding, take a deep breath in and lean forward as much as possible. If possible, you can drop your chin down or your forehead down. Now stretch your shoulders to your maximum limit.
Make sure that you feel comfortable while opening up your shoulder joint. Hold and keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Gently drop your hands down. Inhale, lift your head up and release the posture. Move your arms around again. Okay, now the final stretch for the shoulder. Extend your right arm forward and lock your both forearms. Okay, keep the fingers wide open for the both hands to keep them very active. Now take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, push your elbow closer by pulling your right hand towards your shoulder. Make sure that your both shoulders are in one straight line, and you have to feel the opening of your shoulder joint from the outside. Okay, release. Change the side this time. Lock your left arm with your right forearm. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, pull it closer. Again, feel the stretch in the left shoulder this time. Release. Change the side. Inhale. And as you exhale, stretch it up nicely. Let those muscles be opened and relaxed. Hold there. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Change the side again. Inhale. Exhale. Stretch it. And again hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, release and shake your arms. Move them around. Okay, now just drop your hands over your knees. Keep your spine straight. Close your eyes. And now just focus on your muscles which have been moved and stretched in the previous positions or the previous movements that we just have done in the shoulder stretches. Your shoulders are more mobilized now. You can freely move your shoulder joints in any direction with the help of these very basic and simple stretches. Gently open your eyes.